What's up, y'all? You already know who it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We got 2013 Chevy Camaro, and we're gonna go ahead and take this radio out and install the new Kenwood piece using a Metra 993010S. Either way, this one does not have the little gauge pods right here, so if you don't have those, you're in luck, because all you have to do is take your pin removal tool, pop this part up, and it's going to be a little loose right here. We definitely want to go ahead and stick our key in the ignition, pull that down, and then that's going to give us the ability to move that out of the way. Now you want to come down here, and we have two 7mm screws that we need to take out. Alright guys, so now that we have those two 7mm out, notice that this piece is behind this little thing right here. So what we want to do is come up to the top, and I use my panel removal tool to use that, and you want to lift up, kind of want to press up on this part right here to get it over the ridge and pull out. So I'm gonna need two hands, because I'm gonna be pulling out this way and pushing up this way to get this over that hump. All right, so I seem to have got it out. Told you I needed two hands for it. Now we just need 1, 2, 3, 4 7mm. We're gonna go ahead and take that out, because this is actually the radio part. The front part is just the display. So we're gonna go ahead and take these out real quick. Alright guys, so that's about it. Went on ahead and took all that stuff out. Now let me go ahead and get this thing wired up for you. Alright guys, so that's it. That's what it looks like. We're using the Metra kit. If you found any value in this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.